The funding freeze followed President Donald Trump's decision to halt U.S. foreign assistance to South Africa amid an increasingly strained relationship between Washington and Pretoria over both foreign and domestic policy disagreements. But according to Science, NIH Director Dr. Jay Bhattacharya determined in an internal staff memo that research funding was legally different from foreign aid. And it is that distinction that's at the heart of the decision. The NIH says Congress has specifically authorized the agency to support international research, meaning scientific grants do not necessarily fall under the administration's restrictions on foreign assistance. For South African researchers, that could reopen an important source of funding after months of uncertainty. But there is a significant catch. The NIH says future projects carried out overseas would have to demonstrate a clear scientific reason for being conducted outside the United States. And researchers would have to show that their work could produce knowledge relevant to understanding, improving, or protecting the health of Americans. Additionally, Science also reports that Bhattacharya wrote in the memo that from December 5th, South African scientists would no longer be able to receive training grants from the NIH's Fogarty International Center, the Institute's global health research arm, because the country is viewed as upper middle income and part of the G20. So this is not simply a return to business as usual. It's a reopening of scientific cooperation, but under rules that put U.S. interests firmly at the center. The NIH decision therefore offers significant relief to South Africa's scientific community, but it also sends a broader message about the Trump administration's approach to international cooperation. While Washington may be pulling back from traditional foreign aid, it still sees value in international scientific partnerships when those partnerships can be linked directly to American interests. For South Africa, the research door has reopened, but Washington will still have sway over what comes through it. Sherman Bryce, SABC News, New York.